What's up guys, welcome to Android Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create APK file of your Android application so that you can distribute it on Google Play. So some of you know how to create Android application, but most of the people don't know how to create the APK file of your application so that you can distribute it on Google Play Store. So I'm going to show you that now. So first, Android Studio and open your application. Now click on this little button here and click on build variants. Here your application is in debug mode now, but when you're trying to create the APK file, you need to make it release mode because when you're creating an application, when you're testing it out, it is good to have it in the debug mode, but when you're actually going to create the APK file, it should be in release mode. And after you change the mode, click on this build button here and click on generate signed APK. There is a field called key store path and key store password, etc. If you haven't created any key before, you need to first create it by clicking on create new. Now first see here, key is basically your application's ID or your application creator's ID. So it is basically your ID. So you need to name it anything you want, like you can name it distribution key and you can assign any password here. Just remember that password and name, and for validity it should be 25 or more than that because Google recommends 25 years validity. And you can write your first and last name here, or if you are creating application for any organization, then you can write that organization's name here. So I'll just write organization as Android Academy. You don't need to fill any of these details, but if you want to, you can do that. And now we can come here to key store path. Key store path is basically where you'll save your keys. So click on this button and select the directory where you want to save all the keys. So I'll just save them on desktop. On desktop, and I'll create a new folder named app my apps, and inside that I'll store it. You can name it keys, my keys, or anything, and click OK. And you need to assign a password here also. And click OK. It will fill it out for you, and now you can click next. And now your build type is release, and here is your APK destination folder. You can change that too. I want it to be in the on the desktop in my apps folder. Okay, and click on finish. Now just wait for some time. As you can see now, it is telling us that signed APK is generated successfully. Click on show in Explorer. As you can see, it is created and it is in the my apps folder. But remember the name and password you have assigned, because you need to remember that, because Google will ask you to verify that you are the author or you are the owner of the application. That time you will need that key and password. So save it somewhere. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. My next Android related videos will be on Android SDK Manager and how to launch your application on Google Play Store. So thanks again and bye. Have a nice day.